just wanted to take a second and kind of let you know what happened with this Dutch pour that I did. I started it, I wiped it, or I cleared it because I hated it. And then I started again and it was beautiful. But as you'll see, the end result looks almost nothing like the beginning. Even though I loved the results of the Dutch pour the second time after I wiped all the paint from the first one. That second one, the middle section was really, as it sat for a little bit, the gold like really started like shining through and coming to the surface. And it was really pretty, but it just kind of overtook the painting. And then especially in the middle, oh, motorcycle going by. Especially in the middle where it kind of looked like a neat twist, that all started to like bleed together and kind of just became like a blob. So I was not digging that at all. So the more I looked at it, the more I just thought, okay, I gotta do something with this. So I wish I had this all in camera, but I just kept going. So I used white paint and I kind of took that center part, all that gold, almost all the way. So I took it down to almost a point on both sides. I cleared all that paint. And then as for the rest of it, I just kind of I blew it out a little bit, and then it started to get a little muddy. Sorry about that. My husband just tried to call me, and so it stopped my film. But what I was saying is that the center, or in those sections where I was blowing out, kind of started getting a little muddy here and there. So then I did some additional little tiny pours and blew those out to try and add a little bit more color in, kind of take away some of that muddiness. And then I used my palette knife, I think like I explained in one of the videos, to kind of wisp out some of those areas. Looked really cool. I really liked the final product. I think the lesson learned in this pour is that my gold, I need to be very sparing with it if I am not blowing white over the paint. I think I just did way too much. And that 24 karat gold, I love it by DecoArt. But if you get too much of it, it can overtake your paint. So I've started to learn that a little bit in my paintings that I've been doing. I do love the 24 karat gold because it just makes such beautiful cells, but I think that I'm gonna have to start taking it back a little bit because it's really starting to take over. So that's my lesson learned on this one. And then hopefully I'll be able to try and repeat another tornado Dutch pour, see if I can get it all on camera what I've done. So if you like what you see, please subscribe. Tell your friends about me. I'm just trying to get this YouTube channel going. I appreciate so much Kathleen Osmore, who was so kind in letting her followers know about me and commenting, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, I'm super excited. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave some comments. I'd love to hear what you have to say, even if it's constructive criticism, I don't mind. But yeah, I'm excited and I will see you all later. Okay, hi everybody. I am back. I am using up some of these colors that I have left over of the Alchemy, Art Alchemy colors. So I think I'm just gonna do a Dutch pour, which I think I need a hairdryer for that. So I will be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so here I go. Let me lay down my base coat here. And my hand are nasty. I started off this evening wearing gloves, and it's too hard. Gloves on and off and on and off, so I guess I'm just getting a little messy tonight. Okay. All right, let's try this again. So I am going to do Prussian blue again. I love this color. Then this color is the Teal-Blue from Alchemy. Oh boy. That's worth it. Ah! Well, that's not good. I'm gonna dump the whole thing. Yikes. These cups are slippery. Okay, well, I'll clean that up later. Oof, jeez. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to skip the lighter color and just put this blue violet down and the gold. Aye, lots of gold. I don't know why my paint is just really spreading for some reason. It's probably too thin. I don't know. Actually, really pretty. Okay. Well, I didn't plan to do that, but I really like it. Almost like it twists. It's twisted. That's really cool. I just love how much of the gold is coming out too. So I think maybe I'm gonna blow on it for a little bit here. I'm gonna get rid of that gold. That quarter, I like that gold there, but I like that. There we go. Push it back up in there a little bit. Change that twist. That twist is actually really cool. Huh. Well, I don't know. I might just do a little bit here and then be done. Although I kind of have to move. You know what? I'm gonna have to turn the canvas. You know what? I don't even know. I'm gonna turn it and see what happens. Whew. Lots of paint down here. Lots of paint. That's what happens when you scrape it. Ugh. Yuck. Okay, well, I think want it to get muddy there. Yikes. I better stop. I better just leave it. Okay, one more little blow. There. Okay. All right, now I'm done. I'm gonna leave it. I love it. I think it's super cool. Okay, I lied. Just want to take it off that. Just want to take it off the edge a little bit. There we go. Okay. All right. Well, y'all, I'm gonna leave it. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. All right. Well, let me know what you guys think. Oh, I got these cool like cells coming up there. I even think I want to torch it. I just don't want like. I don't think I'm gonna torch it. I think I'm just gonna leave it. I think it's cool. I think there's like a huge glob of gold here, but it's kind of neat looking. So, all right. Thank y'all for watching, and let me know what you think. Okay, everyone. Here is our close-up of this one. I don't know. It's really cool. Love it. I love how. God, it's crazy how the cells are activating in the same exact spot on both sides. It's like, I don't know, super cool. I just really like it. So I'm gonna come around to the other side, kind of give it to you from my perspective. See how it kind of twists in the middle? Kind of think that's cool. And then here we go. And you can't, I don't know if you can tell, but see that color? Those kind of got a glare on it. But see that color shifting? So pretty. It is just really beautiful. So, all right, I'm sure you guys are sick of me saying how beautiful it is, but I love it. It's my favorite Dutch pour I've ever done. So, let me know your thoughts, y'all. I'll see you later. Okay, so here I decided that I didn't like that middle section. So I kind of erased some of it in here, kind of in here, and I kind of did some embellishments. See how I kind of pulled some out? Almost kind of looks like, and then I took this and streaked the white through it, kind of like it's twisting. And then I did some embellishments here, kind of like it's twisting and like it's like the water is flowing off. I don't know. Looked kind of cool. I don't know. I kind of like it. So yeah, there's my Dutch pour. Okay, so here it is dry. I really think it turned out awesome.